Riyashri, finish. Show me a slate, Riyashri. Number 5 and 3. Very good. Okay, now shall we move on to the next number? Next number is 4. Number 4. Come on, write number 4. Number 4. And what you are going to draw? You are going to draw 4 objects. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have drawn 4 circles. Very good, Nimalan. Erase it, Nimalan. You can erase it and do another one. Okay. After this. Oh, very good, Sarah.
Srinija is finished.
Very good, Srinija. Super, Srinija.
Mokshita finished, man.
Very good, Mokshita. Okay, shall we move on to the next number? Next number is 2.
It's your
Come on,
turn.
number 2.
Number.
2. Number 2. So we are going to draw 2. What shall we draw? I am going to draw a square. 1, 2. 2 square. Hey, lollipop, Sarah. Essa, lollipop. I like lollipops. I also want lollipop.
Yes. Lollipop.
Okay, now next number is 2. Come on. 2 பண்ணுங்க. Very good, Ilango. Good boy. Okay, next number is Sorry. Adya. Good morning, Adya. Just take your slate and I'll tell you the number. You have to write the number and draw the respective objects. Next number is 6. Very good, Mokshita. 6. Write number 6 first and then draw 6 objects here. Okay, shall we start drawing? What shall we draw? I've drawn a triangle, I've drawn a circle, I've drawn a square also. What shall I draw now? I am going to draw 6 sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've drawn 6 sun here. 6 in this block you have to write, Sarah. Blocks will not be enough for you to draw. First block itself you write 6. Very good, Sarah. Kadambari finish.
Ma'am, Srinija finished.
Very good, Srinija. Lollipapa. Super. Nimalan, very good. All shapes are circle only, Nimalan. Not going for another shape. Everything in circles itself. Yeah, very good, Yukta. Very good, Ma. Good, Riyasri. Hey, son. Very good, Kadambari. What is that, Sarah? Q,
Leaves, ma'am.
Oh, leaf. Good. Good morning, Nakshatra.
Good morning. Six.
Very
Ma'am,
good,
what to write?
Kevin. Just take the slate, write the number, and draw the objects accordingly. That's it.
Mosita finished, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Okay, now shall we move on to the next number? I'm going to erase it. Next number is 1. 1. 1 means only 1. Okay, I am going to draw a house. 1. 1 means only one object you have to draw. 1.
Finished, ma'am.
Finish. What is that, Nimalan?
Finished, ma'am.
What is that? Atom bomb. Ah?
Ma'am, I finished it.
Very good. Finish, Srinija. Good. Okay, next number 1, 2 also finish. 3, 4, 5, 6. Next is 7. Okay? 7 number 7. If you don't have space here, you can draw below also, children. Okay? 7. So what shall we draw for 7? Any ideas? I am going to draw 7 tomatoes. Very good, Ilango. 7 tomatoes. 1, 2,
Cake.
3,
Amma, ఏం రాయాలా?
4,
రాయాలా?
5,
Seven. One అయిపోయిందా?
6,
Seven, right?
7.
ఇది eraser ఇది.
రాయాలా అమ్మా? అది
7.
నేను చెప్తున్నావు ఇక్కడ.
See here.
ఇక్కడ seven
From
right.
here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
ఇందులో బ్యాక్ ప్యాక్ నీకు ఎట్లా కనిపిస్తుంది?
7.
నేను పెన్స్ బాక్స్ తీసుకుంటా.
ఇంకా నువ్వు రాయి ఫస్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ చిన్న డ్రా చేయి.
Seven.
బ్లాక్ రాసిన.
వన్ స్టాండింగ్ లైన్ ట్రయాంగిల్ చిన్న ట్రయాంగిల్
బ్లాక్
షార్ప్ ఎడ్జ్ ఉండాలి. ఓకే
షార్ప్.
అది పీలా ఉంది
Finish.
లేకపోతే
7 finish. Very good, Yukta. Kevin, how many is there? Kevin, count. 5, 6 only is there. 7 you have drawn, huh? Count, Kevin. Oh, up he has drawn. Okay, good. Mangoes, ah. Is that mangoes? Very good. Well done, Kadambari. Well done, Nakshatra. Well done, Riyasri. 7.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Mailango. What you have drawn? What you have drawn? Let me see. Lift it up a little bit. Smiley, ah, okay.
And
Ah,
Srinija is done.
very good. What you have drawn, Srinija? What
flag.
is that? Flag. Okay, very good now. Very good, Nimalan. Yes, good. Okay, next number is 8. 8. Right, number 8.
Mosita finished,
Eight.
ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Next number is 8. Come on, for 8, I'm going to draw 8 donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 donuts. 8 donuts. Oh, 8 petals. Flower. Sarah. What is that, Sarah?
Elephant.
Elephant. Is that elephant?
Yes.
Achacho, it doesn't look like elephant.
மேம்க்கு தெரியல எலிஃபென்ட் மாதிரி நீ ட்ரங்க் கொடுக்கல கொடுக்கல பாடி
Very good. Come on, draw 8. Number 8 objects. Good morning, Pranavi, and good morning, Pravina.
லெக்ஸ் ஆயிடுச்சு
Elephant.
Ma'am, what
Why
I
I'm
should
not
do?
able. Nothing. I'm going to just end this activity. No need. Just listen. Sarah, first you draw 8 objects and then you draw elephant. Okay? First 8 varenga pakla. Very good, Yukta. Good. Adya, good.
She has drawn five rabbits.
Right?
Five
Little bit
rabbits.
closer. Let me see closer.
I asked her to write 8, but she wrote 5.
She wrote 5. Right? 8.
Okay. You say her good ones, then I'll ask her to write 8.
Sorry?
Ask her. You say her good, then I will ask her to write 8.
Very good, Adya Shri.
Ah.
Adya Sharma, sorry. Very good, Adya. Come on, do it fast. Very good girl.
अब आप 8 लिखो.
Very good, Mokshita. Very good, Kadambari. Good. What is that, Sarah?
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan.
8.
ஓகே
That is 8. Are you all counting it and drawing it? 8. Very good. Sarah, 8 is there, huh? Let me see.
Yes,
Wait a
ma'am.
minute. 8 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Well done, Sarah. What? No smile? No smile?
Done.
Huh?
Nitish done.
Nitish. Very good, Nitish. Let me see your slate. What you have drawn. Show me.
Show.
Circles. Something you have drawn. What is that? Very good, Srinija. Good. Very good, all of you. Clap hands for yourself. Well done. Well done. Clap hands. Fast clapping. Fast. I can't hear the sound itself. Come on, fast clapping. Very good. Well done. Everyone has finished the activity. Shall we start the session? Yes, all of you keep your slate down. Finished, Adya Sharma.
She is doing, ma'am. You continue.
Yeah. Join your hands and close your eyes, children. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Yes. Who is going to repeat after ma'am today? Who is going to repeat after ma'am? Who will repeat? No one wants to repeat, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Who will repeat? Okay, Riyasri. Come on, Riyasri. It's Z and Kitty anthem. You are within me. You are infinite.
You are infinite.
You are unique. Unique. My potential inside. My potential inside.
My potential inside.
You are the wings
You are
beneath my flight.
beneath my
You define me. My potential inside.
feet.
Today I pledge
You have
with all my might.
all my life.
I shall achieve you. My potential inside.
My
Yes.
potential inside.
Very good. One minute. Okay. Now all of you stand up for the warm up activity. Done, all of you.
ஒழுங்கா பண்ணிட்டாங்க அதெல்லாம் பண்ணிக்கலாம் Run the bar, run in one place. Leave that. Leave that.
All of you go drink one glass of water and come back, children. Adya.
I'm coming 1 minute.
Yeah.
I'm बुला रही हूँ. Look here I am. Look here I am. Look here I am. Look here I am.
Adya.
I'm to look here I am.
Very good, Adya. Ilango. Very good, Ilango. Next. Very good, Nakshatra. Next.
Nitish. Here I am.
Very good, Nitish. Next.
Here I am. Here I am.
Very good, Kevin. Next. Very good, Riyasri. Next. Very good, Sarah. Next. Very good, Pranavi. Next. Very good, Pravina. Next. Very good, Srinija. Next. Tilakar. Tilakar is absent. Okay. Next. Very good, Yukta. Next. Very good, Kadambari. Next. Very good, Shravanya. Next. Next. Mokshita.
Such kind of big face anyway.
Mokshita.
And she was asking
Very good, Mokshita. Next.
just update that. And
Very good, Nimalan. Next. Adarsh.
see, I'm completely trying to be out of this now.
Adarsh. Here I am. Okay. Okay. Thank you, children.
Nice.
Okay. First, I want to give a big round of applause to everyone. Very good. Do you know why ma'am is clapping for you? Do you know why? தெரியுமா யாருக்காவது ஏன் ma'am clap பண்றாங்க? Why ma'am is clapping? Why? Because you all have sent your rhymes audio. So I'm very happy. Thank you so much. And a big round of applause for all my children. And I give this ice cream to everyone. Because you all have sent your audio, right? Srinija, mute yourself. Okay, you all have sent your audio. So very good, children. And thank you so much. Now this is our first time. And our next time is 5 senses rhyme. On Monday, you will be sending the audio. Okay? So 5 senses rhyme, how to sing. I have 2 eyes that can see. I have 1 nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make me feel things pretty much. I have 2 ears that can hear and 1 tongue that helps me taste. These are all my 5 senses. These are the things I should not waste. One more time. I have 2 eyes that can see. I have 1 nose that can smell. I have fingers that can touch. They make me feel things pretty much. I have 2 ears that can hear and 1 tongue that helps me taste. These are all my 5 senses. These are the things I should not waste. Okay? Yes? Okay, now take your calendar. Take your calendar. What is the date today? Who is going to tell me the date today? What date is today, children? Anyone knows? Yesterday was 22. Saturday va? Is it Saturday today? Yesterday was 2/2/22 Thursday and today is 2/3/23 Friday. Come on, color the date 2/3/23.
Friday.
2/3/23.
Friday.
Yeah, Friday. Very good, Pravina. Color the date 2/3/23. Finish. Yes, very good, Riyasri. Very good, all of you. Now point out number 1, 0, 10. Where do you have 1, 0, 10? Point out the number 1, 0, 10. Kevin, where is 10 number? Point it out. 1, 0, 10. Where do you have 1, 0, 10? Very good, Yukta. I have drawn in slate. Good, Yukta. Very good, Yukta. 1, 0, 10. Very good. Okay. Now point out the number 1, 1, 11. Very good, Mokshita. Very good, Mokshita. Point out the number 1, 1, 11. Where is 1, 1, 11 in your calendar? Calendar 1, 1, 11 எங்க இருக்கு? Where is 1, 1, 11, Nakshatra? Very good, Riyasri. Where is 1, 1, 11? Very good, Nakshatra. Ilango, where is 1, 1, 11? No need to keep the calendar ulta. You just touch the number correctly. Your parents will see whether you are touching it correctly. 11, 1, 1, 11. Sarah, where is 1, 1, 11? Very good. Next is 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Where is 1, 2, 12? Shravanya, touch the number 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Very good, Nakshatra. 1 to 12 எங்க இருக்கு Shravanya? Touch it with your pointer finger. Pointer finger, use your pointer finger and touch it. 1 to 12. Yeah, good, Nimalan. Next is 1, 3, 13. Yesterday we learned that number, right? 1, 3, 13. Yeah, Pranavi, Pravina, okay, good. 1, 3, 13. Okay, Ma, Pranavi and Pravina, I saw. 1, 3, 13. Where is 1, 3? Yeah, 1, 3, 13. Ilango, where is 1, 3, 13?
சொல்லு மேம் கிட்ட சொல்லு
1, 3, 13.
இருக்கு
1, 3, 2, 3.
இது என்ன 1 to 12
1, 3, 13.
3, 13.
இங்க இருக்கு
Very good, Ilango.
okay he is
And
pointing
next is, yes,
no, he is pointing out ma'am just let you know
yeah, very good. Next is 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Where is 1, 4, 14? With your pointer finger. Point it with your pointer finger. 1, 4, 14. Where is 1 for 14, Nitish? Very good, Sarah. Yukta. 1 for 14. Srinija. Kadambari. Good. Well done. Now keep your calendar aside. Keep it aside. Now take your My Word Trip book. My Word Trip book. Yesterday, what alphabet did we learn?
Louder. Ma'am. Chetan, ma'am. Ah. Ma'am.
Parents, please wait. Mom is facing a network issue and a power cut also. So she will be back soon. Okay? Just give me 5 minutes for let her log in.
No problem.
Yeah, thank you.
Hindi, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am will join soon. Till that, we'll do the calendar activity. Okay. Okay. What day today? Can anyone tell me? We'll go with Kadambari. Yeah, Venla ma'am is back. Thank you, ma'am. And just started what? Asking the what day and all.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, children. Now, did you all take your My Word Trip book?
Mama just
My Word Trip book and take the E page, children. You will have a E page, right? Take that page and circle small letter E. Small letter E, sorry. E page and circle all the small letter E. Yesterday we learned small letter E, right? Come on, circle small letter E. Small letter E. Finish. Very good. See here in elephant and all, if you see, you will have two E here. E-L-E. And in engine also, you will have two E. And then in elevator, you will have two E. Eraser, you will have two E. Exercise 3E will be there. Okay, come on.
man.
Finish. Very good, Kadambari. Tara, finish.
Finish.
Very good, Sarah.
Mosita finish, man.
Very good, Mokshita. Those who have finished, take the F page, children. Today, the new letter we are going to learn, that is F. Take the F page. Those who have finished, take the F page. Anyone knows the phonic rhyme for F? Who knows? Phonic rhyme for F. Yes, Yukta.
What the whole Shiba.
My friends and I went to the beach.
What man?
Mm.
Ma'am, what total, ma'am?
Phonic rhyme, ma.
Are you child?
Mm.
Inside. Mama, ये the feature.
Yeah, okay. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. Okay? Good. Now take the F page, children, all of you. F page. F for fox. This is capital F and this is small f. Okay? F for fox. F for funnel. F for fork. When will you use fork? When will you use fork? For what you will use fork?
Eating noodles.
Yeah, eating noodles. Very good. Next is F for fish. F
Fish.
for fan. F for fan. F for fire. F for family. And F for feather. Okay. And today the same alphabet we are going to do it in our worksheet also. Come on, all of you take your worksheet. The worksheet number is D1515LT. D1515LT. F worksheet, you will have a fish picture there. This is your page. F. For capital F, you will have a sleeping line here. But instead of that sleeping line, we are going to draw a curve here. A curve, standing line and a sleeping line. F. Take this page D15LT. F. How will you write F, children? Capital F will be like this. Sleeping line, standing line, and again a sleeping line. But small f with the curve. Okay? Curve, standing line, and a sleeping line. First, trace it with your pointer finger and then write in your worksheet. Before that, write today's date. Today's date is 2/3/23-7-2121. F. Start writing F. And the next page will be your homework, children. F page. Same D15LT homework. First trace it with your pointer finger and then you write. Otherwise, you will write as it is like capital F.
For the very first time, she reached the next page.
F.
Ma'am.
Finished. Who finished? Riya Sri.
Adya also finished.
Wow, Adya.
She wrote the next page.
Adya, I'm clapping hands for you. You didn't see?
नहीं hand नहीं ये वाला.
Good, good. Very good, Riya Sri. Very good, Adya Sharma. Next, who else finished?
Finish, ma'am, sir.
Very good, Nitish.
Thank you.
Very good, Kadambari.
I'm Yalango Binet.
Very good, Ilango. Okay, those who have finished. Those who have finished. Next. Yeah, very good, children. All of you have finished, I know. Take your next page is number 15. And the number is 14 empty. D1414 empty. D1414 empty. You will have number 1515. 1515. Group of 10. Here you have group of 10. Circle the group of 10. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Ma'am, she is saying 1, 5, 16.
1, 5, 15.
बेटा मैम को सुनो
15.
मैम
First sound. 15.
मैम को सुनो मैम क्या कह रही है
15. Adya. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6 only 16. Okay. 1, 5, 15. Spell and write, children. 1, 5, 15. Fifth. 15. How will you say fish? Like that, fifth. 15. What is the number you are writing, Ilango?
Ma'am.
What number is that?
1,
Hmm.
11,
Huh?
12 he's telling
12.
Number, what number you are writing? Worksheet என்ன number எழுதுறீங்க?
என்ன நம்பர்
1, 5.
வெரி குட் சத்தமா சொல்லு மேம்
1, 5, 15.
Very good, Ilango. Well done. Shravanya, what number you are writing? Shravanya, what number you are writing?
15, ma'am.
1, 5, 15. You should not say 15, ma'am. 1, 5, 15. Like that you have to say, okay? Yeah, good.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Kadambri. What number you wrote, Kadambri?
What number?
7, 18.
What is this?
1,
What is
5,
this? 1, 5, say.
1, 5, 16.
Not 16.
1, 5.
15.
15.
1,
1,
5,
5,
15.
15. Very good. Riyasri, what number you are writing?
5, 15.
Very good. 1, 5, 15. Good.
Right one.
Let me know when you finish, children. Come on. Mokshita, finish up.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Mokshita. Well done. Those are finished. Check whether you have written today's date. If you have forgot it, write it. 2, 3, 23 dash 7 dash 2, 1, 21. Finished? Everyone finished? Only few of you said that you have finished. Ravanya finished. Riyasri finished. Nitish. Very good, Yukta. Adya, still writing? What number you are writing, Adya?
पूछ रही है क्या नंबर
What
लिखे
number you are writing?
5,
अच्छा हाँ ठीक है मैम पूछ रही क्या नंबर लिखो ये क्या है बोलो 1 क्या ये 1
1, 5,
Okay, 1, 5, 16.
15. Very good. Nimalan finished. Number 15. Nakshatra, Nimalan. Very good, Nakshatra. Nimalan finish. Sarah.
Sarah has to finish it yet, ma'am.
Okay, finish.
Nimalan finished, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Thought of taking you golden words today, children, but I'm not able to share the screen today. So I'll take it on Monday. Okay. So thanks for your cooperation. Those who have written it well, very good. See you on Monday. Have a happy weekend. See you on Monday. Bye bye.
Ma'am. Bye-bye.
Yeah, very good. Those who have finished. Bye everyone. Bye bye, children. Yeah, bye everyone. Yes. Yeah, bye Nimale.